Oh, Shishi. He's a little more relaxed this time, see? And it says the bathroom problems. It's possible he used to get scolded when he made some mistakes. And now he can be a little nervous about anything to do with bathroom. He said like that's why he pooped behind the TV, or behind the cabinet, or behind the door. He's a little nervous about pooing. He's afraid he's going to get in trouble or something.
He did better, right? Slightly better?
I cleaned up 2 big piles already today.
Where is it?
It's in, at least he poos in the cat litter, cat box room, close to the machines. He doesn't use the paper though. It's okay. Yeah, that lady there, I kind of know her, although I... Yeah, figure this aspect out, you know. Not being abandoned. I think